Welcome back, woodworking enthusiasts. In today's video, we're checking out the top 5 best router lifts on AliExpress. Whether you're a pro or just starting, these tools will take your woodworking to the next level with precision and ease. Let's dive in. Number 1. Router Lift Kit with Aluminum Router Plate. Upgrade your woodworking setup with the Router Lift Kit with Aluminum Router Plate, perfect for 65mm diameter motors. This high-quality kit allows precise height adjustments, making your work faster and more accurate. The durable aluminum plate ensures stability and long-lasting performance, while the smooth lift mechanism provides effortless control over bit height. Ideal for router tables and workbenches, it's compatible with most trimmer and engraving machines, making it versatile for various woodworking projects. Easy to install and adjust, this kit helps you achieve professional-level precision without the hassle. Whether you're working on intricate designs or heavy-duty projects, this router lift kit ensures smooth operation and perfect cuts every time. A game-changer for woodworking enthusiasts. Number 2. Aluminum Router Table Insert Plate Router Lift Kit. Upgrade your woodworking experience with the Aluminum Router Table Insert Plate Router Lift Kit, designed for 65mm diameter motors. This premium lift kit allows precise height adjustments, ensuring smooth and accurate cuts every time. The high-quality aluminum insert plate provides excellent stability and durability, making it ideal for both professional and DIY woodworking projects. Compatible with most trimmer and engraving machines, this versatile kit fits perfectly on any workbench. Its easy-to-use lift mechanism allows quick bit changes and precise depth control, saving you time and effort. Whether you're crafting intricate designs or working on large-scale projects, this router lift kit ensures top-notch performance and clean finishes. A must-have for any serious woodworker looking to enhance precision and efficiency. Number 3. ENJOYWOOD GD7 Pro Router Lift. Take your woodworking to the next level with the ENJOYWOOD GD7 Pro Router Lift, designed for 65mm and 69mm wood routers. This precision router lift allows smooth and accurate height adjustments, ensuring perfect cuts every time. The high-quality aluminum router plate offers superior stability and durability, making it ideal for both professional and hobbyist woodworkers. Its easy-to-use lift mechanism enables quick bit changes and precise depth control, saving you time and effort. Compatible with most router tables, it fits seamlessly into your existing setup. Whether you're shaping edges or carving intricate designs, the GD7 Pro provides consistent performance and clean finishes. Upgrade your woodworking game with this reliable and versatile tool. A must-have for any serious craftsman. Number 4. GD7 Pro Router Lift by ENJOYWOOD. Enhance your woodworking precision with the GD7 Pro Router Lift by ENJOYWOOD. Perfect for 65mm and 69mm wood routers. This high-performance router lift allows smooth and accurate height adjustments, giving you full control over your cuts. The durable aluminum plate provides excellent stability and long-lasting performance, ensuring clean and precise finishes. Its easy-to-use lift mechanism allows quick bit changes and precise depth control, saving you time and effort. Compatible with most router tables, this versatile tool fits seamlessly into your existing setup. Whether you're working on detailed designs or large projects, the GD7 Pro delivers professional-grade accuracy and consistency. Take your woodworking to the next level with this reliable and easy-to-use router lift. Number 5. Upgrade Precision Router Lift System and Aluminum Router Table Insert Plate. Enhance your woodworking precision with the Upgrade Precision Router Lift System and Aluminum Router Table Insert Plate. Designed for smooth and accurate height adjustments, this router lift system allows you to fine-tune your cuts effortlessly. The high-quality aluminum plate ensures stability and long-lasting performance, making it ideal for both professional and DIY woodworking projects. Its easy-to-operate lift mechanism allows quick bit changes and precise depth control, saving you time and effort. Compatible with most wood routers, it fits perfectly on workbenches and router tables, giving you greater control and accuracy. Whether you're crafting intricate details or working on large-scale projects, this router lift system ensures clean, consistent results every time. A must-have for any woodworking enthusiast. Here are our top 5 best router lifts, chosen for quality, durability, and top reviews. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.